discuss about Jsp Standard Actions. What is Jsp Standard Actions? Jsp action use the construct in XML syntax to control the behavior of several things. We can dynamically insert a file, reuse the being component, code user another page, etc. Through Jsp action like include the and flow. Unlike directives, actions are evaluated each time the page is accessed. Jsp Standard Action Tags. There are 12 types of standard action tags in Jsp. Here is the list of standard action tags in Jsp. Jsp user being, Jsp include, set property, Jsp get property, Jsp forward, Jsp plugin, Jsp attribute, Jsp body, Jsp tags, Jsp element, Jsp param, Jsp output. Jsp user being. This action name is used when we want to use B in the Jsp page. With the tags, we can easily invoke a B. This is an example for Jsp user being. Next we talk about Jsp include. It also used to insert a Jsp file into another file, just like including directory. It is adding during request processing phase. Then you can see the example for Jsp include. The next one is Jsp set property. This property for standard action in Jsp is used to set a property of the being. We need to define a being before setting a property. This is an example for Jsp set property, where the name defines the being or property is set a property which we want to set. Also, we can set value and parameter, where value is not mandatory and it defines the values which is assigned to do property. Here param is the name of the request parameter using which value can be filled. Then we talk about Jsp get property. This property is used to get the property of the being. It converts into the string and finally insert to the output. This is a syntax for Jsp get property. Here the name of the being from which the property has to be derived and B should be behind. The property attribute is the name of the being property to be derived. Jsp forward. It is used to forward the request to another Jsp or any static page. Here the request can be forwarded to one parameter or the parameters. This is a syntax for Jsp forward. Here values represent where the request has been forwarded. Next we talk about Jsp plugin. It is used to introduce Java components into Jsp. The Java components can be either any applet of beans. A directory is browsed and or Jsp tags into the field. Print the file. This is a syntax for Jsp plugin. The plugin type code base. Here the types specifies either object or the being. Code specification can mean name of applet or being. Code base contains the base URL that contains filter of classes. Next we talk about Jsp attribute. This tag is used to define the XML dynamically, i.e. the elements can be generated during request time with the complication time. It actually defines the attribute of XML which will be generated time. This is the syntax of Jsp attribute. Then we talk about Jsp body. This tag is used to define the XML dynamically. The elements can generate during request time compliant with the time. They actually define the XML which is generated dynamically element code. Then you can see the syntax of Jsp body. Next we talk about Jsp text. It is used to template text the Jsp page. Its body does not contain any other elements and it contains only text the IE expression. This is a syntax for Jsp, syntax of Jsp text. Here the template text refer to only template text which can be any generated text which need to be pointed to Jsp or any EL expression. Then you talk about Jsp plan. This is child object of the plugin object described below. They must contain one or more action to provide additional parameter. This is a syntax of Jsp plan. Jsp output. The specifies the XML declaration or the doctype directory of Jsp. The XML declaration of and doctype are declared by the output. This is a syntax of Jsp output. Here the doctype root element indicate of root element of XML document in doctype. Doctype system includes the doctype which in the generate the output and use system interaction. Thank you for watching my video.